Good day, friends. Nice to be with you again. Today we are going to bake a walnut cake. For this purpose we need some walnuts naturally, and we also need all-purpose white wheat flour that we need about 3 cups that I've measured. To this we are going to add 1 cup of milk. Make sure it's not skim milk. And half a cup of cooking oil. And sugar, I'm using less than half a cup because I was told by the family not to use too much sugar, so depends how sweet you want it. And 3 eggs. You're also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And in order to give it a nice aroma, we are going to use a few drops of maple essence. You can use any essence you like or not at all, but with walnut it's very nice to have maple essence that is going to give it a great aroma. And depend on how strong you want the smell, so you can add just a couple of drops or more. Now we are going to use a mixer and mix the dough of the ingredients. We need to make sure there are no lumps left in the dough and it's all uniform and mixed well. Now we are going to cover it with a nylon sheet, or if your the container or the bowl that you use has got a cover, put it on. And then we are going to leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours minimum, so that the baking powder can do its work. Now 2 hours has passed. I'm going to uncover the dough, remove the plastic cover, and spray some oil in the mold. We then need to brush the oil on the sides and the bottom so that it would not be sticky. Now we are going to pour 3/4 of the mix into the mold. And keep some for the top. Now we are going to add the walnuts. We add them standing. We make one circle close to the edge. And we add second circle inside. Now we are going to pour the rest of the dough on top. We got to make sure the walnuts that are already there don't move and stay in place. After adding the remaining mixture into the mold, we are going to add another layer of walnuts, but this time we won't put them standing, we will put them flat. So one circle around the edge, when they dough start baking, these walnuts will sink in. Now another circle in the middle, again lay them flat. And now we preheat the oven to 180 centigrade, that is 350 Fahrenheit. And when the oven is ready, we are going to put the mold on the middle rack. And watch it through the window. When it rises up and the color changes, we are going to test it to see if it's ready. We are going to poke a knife through the dough to see if it's cooked, and if it's still wet inside, that means it's not cooked. As you can see, it's still wet, so we're gonna wait another maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to test it again. The color looks right and it looks dry inside, so it must be cooked. Now we are going to wait about 5 minutes or more for the cake to cool down. Now we remove the side. Put the plate on top of the cake. And turn the cake over, but we gotta use gloves to make sure the bottom is still hot. And then we are going to use a long sharp knife to make sure the bottom is off, because we don't want to remove the bottom and damage the cake. So we just make sure we go around and make sure the bottom is off the cake before we try to remove it. So we keep going round and round, and suddenly it comes off. As you can see, it's not damaged, and it's all in one piece. So we are going to put the cake holder on top and turn it over again, and voila, here is the cake. But we are not going to put the cover on, because it sweats, it's warm, it will sweat and damage the cake. So we wait for the cake to cool down and put the cover on later on. Now, in order to show you what it looks inside, I'm going to cut the piece out using a knife and a spatula. Cut in a triangle. It's still warm, so we move that piece into another dish. And as you can see, it looks beautiful outside and inside. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please leave me a comment to let me know what you think, and if you like other cakes that I can bake and show you how it's done, please leave me a comment and let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now.